Hello everyone, welcome to another EA FC 24 guide and tutorial video. In this video, I will show you whether or not you can activate Hypermotion in EA FC 24 and how to activate it. So before we get started with this video, make sure to go to our channel for more videos based on EA FC 24 and let's get started with the video. So basically, what is Hypermotion V? Now, Hypermotion V technology, this is new in EA FC 24. Now, Hypermotion 2 technology was present in FIFA 23. However, now in FC 24, we have Hypermotion V technology. Now, as you can see, this is basically, over the years, FIFA series has featured jargon up the wazoo to attempt to sell players on new and supposedly even more realistic features, which one of them is called Hypermotion. Now, this is the upcoming iteration. It has rebranded its players trade system to the new play styles, complete with its own logo. So this is called Hypermotion technology and is along for the new ride too. As you can see, the technology isn't new to FIFA, but its latest iteration that we're here to explain. So basically, what is Hypermotion V? Hypermotion V is the third iteration of EA Sports motion capture technology. So it's basically a motion capture technology, and the V within Hypermotion V is standing for volumetric, to represent the use of volumetric data from more than 180 professional football matches to being improved realism to EA Sports FC 24. So they used over 180 professional football matches to create a very awesome game that is now EA FC 24. Now, as you can see, the predecessor to Hypermotion V was Hypermotion 2.0 that was introduced in FIFA 23, meaning more details on this iteration is publicly available. Now, keep in mind that this is still not, as far as I know, it's still not in FIFA 24 and in EA FC 24 as of right now, but it will be, and you will be able to activate it. Now, as you can see, this technology will be available on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series, and PC very soon. So, can you actually activate Hypermotion? Right now, you actually can't, but you will be able to activate it in the EA FC 24 soon. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, you find it useful, and we will see you in the next video.